AppSource apps can store secrets in Azure Key Vault. In the online world, apps typically don't run in isolation and often interact with other services. Historically, authentication has been a challenge for these interactions. Credentials shouldn't be exposed and shouldn't be hard-coded. The answer is Azure Key Vault, which provides secure storage for secrets and lets you control their access and distribution. App developers can create Key Vault secrets for their apps in the Azure portal by simply adding the URL to the app's app.json file. App code can read the secrets from the vault. The secrets will not be accessible to other apps installed in the same environment. After we paste the Key Vault URL in the app.json file, we can use it from code. We'll use the Azure Key Vault secret provider from the system application. But first, we need to initialize it. Now we can retrieve secrets by simply calling getSecret. We no longer need the hard-coded secret, which is great, so we'll get rid of it. This capability is available in Business Central Online for all apps registered on AppSource.